How to know if someone blocked you on iMessage. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Just in case if you feel that someone has blocked you on iMessage, then there are a few ways on how you can say so. Normally, when you send an iMessage to someone, the bubble for the message appears in blue, but just in case if it appears in green, then it simply means that the person has disabled you from your iMessage. Also, you can say it from the read or delivered status. Normally, when you send a message to someone, you will see the delivered or read status under your message. But if you are blocked, then you will see nothing at all, which simply could mean that they have blocked you. Next method is you can also tell it through voicemail. So open voicemail and then try calling them. And if it rings once or not at all, then it might indicate that you have been blocked. Also, you can go ahead and check their focus mode or do not disturb mode. So if their iPhone has enabled do not disturb mode or airplane mode, or if the phone is turned off, then it might look similar to that you have been blocked. Also, make sure that there is no official notification from Apple that says that you are blocked on iMessage. There are only a few ways on how you can predict that you have been blocked. So this was about if you can know someone have blocked you on iMessage. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.